picked up this My Arcade Pac Man thing. It was sold as no power, and it looks like it works from either a 5V in USB-C cable or batteries. So let's test both of those. First of all, we're going to pop some batteries in. Nice mix of batteries to annoy everybody. Seamless. Right, is that going to come on? No, it is not. Okay, let's try it with USB-C. Right, there we go, we've got 5V going into that. It's not drawing anything. Still not drawing anything. I mean, could it be a faulty switch? Maybe, but who knows? Let's take it apart and let's find out.
Sorry for the wait, but I went away. Had a blast down the back, hip hip hooray. Even though I'm jet lagged, I'm penning this song. It's magic squash and go, hope I don't go wrong. But this Pac-Man, it don't turn on. Tim Specterberg is where he's from. The support hero, dishing the support. 1, 2, 3, no it's second 4. That's a Princess Wizard, guess where I've been. Someone nice and hot, you bet Anthony Bean. Adam Taylor, it's time to knuckle down. Yes, Rico TV, I'm making vids like a clown. Gotta close out the CD with lead bands and cool jing is where this part ends. Much love to all that show me love, and love to the rest. Rise above. Larger and Flynn, Kanglebird, B Money. Eric Bro was Fox, cut a demo DB. Pappy Wappy, Kill Switch Infinity. Esther and Keegan, Pammy Cheesy. Nick, Adam Stewart, Cole's friends, key friends. Tara Putter, Mackie Oz, Newton, Chris Jenkins, Taxi Fish, Lindsay Hall, Alex Murgatroyd, Yolan, Hammy 84 to wrap up the flow. You didn't think I forgot. Big love to Monkey Joe, Tokyo, y'all. Peace.
Screen's not connected. How? Okay. Well, it's not going to work without the screen connected, is it? Oh, there we go. Right, well, let's put USB-C back in. Oh, it's still not drawing anything. Oh, try it the other way. No. Right, so it's still not working. So maybe someone's been in this before, if the screen was disconnected. Let's try bench power supply on here. So look at this, it's going to be 6V, isn't it? I'm guessing these two are connected here, but let's just check that with the old multimeter and continuity. Yeah, so we've got 3V there, 3V there. So from there and there, we should have 6V to make this power on. Okay, 6V going in now. No, that's not drawing any amps either. And it is not coming on. Let's just double check that we've got the voltage. I mean, it presumably goes through to the other side. Yeah, 6V. Let's see if we've got any voltage on any of these capacitors. Right, we've got 5.77V there. 3.3. Okay, so the voltage is getting into the board. Right, well, let's take this board out and let's have a look at it under the microscope. See if we can see anything obvious. In fact, before we do that, let's just make sure that switch is working. Multimeter and continuity. Sorry, head's in the way. Okay, switch it to there. Yeah, switch is fine. Okay, so this is where the 5V comes in from the USB-C. I don't really understand what's going on there. But it's also powered via batteries, which are up here. Positive goes to there. to that space there, then to there, then into this, which I think is where I was getting the 6 volts before. It's obviously some kind of voltage regulator. That'll be a ground, so the voltage coming out will be here, which will go to there. Then where does it go? What's on the other side? Not a lot. Right, we're still on continuity, so there, to there, to there, then through that resistor, then to there, and then, oh, is that a little hole I see? I see in the IC. I think it is. So what's that? That's some kind of transistor? Right. So I'm guessing the voltage should be going into there. And maybe it's not coming out, well, wherever it's supposed to come out. I don't know. But that is not good. I think that might be our problem. But unfortunately, I can't see what that is. Let's try cleaning it. It's definitely J3. Or J3 something. J3 something. Or just J3, maybe. Let's Google it. Right, there is a J3. Maybe it's that. It's just with the 3 looks like it's in the middle, doesn't it? Like there should be another digit. Right, the other thing that comes up when you put in J3 is J3Y. So I'm going to have a look at that. Yeah, J3Y. Maybe it's one of them. And when you put that in, it does look like that's an S8050, which I think is a very, very common one. Right, well I think I'm going to take it off, and I'm going to see if I've got any 8050 transistors. I think I might have. I'm sure I've had a similar problem to this before. Looking in my little box of tricks, we've got a SOT23 here, which is the same package, 8050, and it's our old friend Y1. Again. Well, looks like it's going to fit. I'm just going to go for it. What have we got to lose? Absolutely nothing. Right, let's give that a go. Shh. Can't be as easy as that, surely. Surely. Okay, let's do it with the USB. And switch it on. It's drawing. Okay, pretend you didn't see that. Right, let's put that back together and let's see if it works. Okay, let's see if it works. Oh, yes. Doesn't appear to have any sound. Aha. Oh, yes. stupid ghosts.
This place is coming like a ghost town. All the clubs have been closed down.